Can black holes collide? What really happens when giants of space crash? Space is full of wild things: exploding stars, deadly radiation, and mysterious objects that can eat light itself. But what if two black holes, the most powerful monsters in the universe, actually collide? Would it destroy the galaxy? Rip space apart? Let's find out. MindSeedWorld presents.
Fact 1. Yes, they can collide. Black holes aren't stationary. They move through galaxies, drawn by gravity. When two massive black holes get close enough, they start orbiting each other like cosmic dance partners, until gravity pulls them together. And boom, they merge into one even bigger black hole.
Fact 2. The universe shakes when they do. When black holes collide, they don't just make noise, they shake the fabric of reality. This shake is called a gravitational wave, a ripple in space-time that travels across the universe. Einstein predicted it over 100 years ago, and scientists actually detected it in 2015 with LIGO. It was the first proof that these collisions really happen.
Fact 3. What it looks like. If you could somehow see the collision, you wouldn't see much light. Black holes don't glow. But you'd witness massive distortions, space bending, stars wobbling, and energy bursts invisible to the human eye. It's like watching the universe breathe.
Fact 4. How powerful is it? One black hole collision can release more energy in a single second than all the stars in the universe combined. Think about that. Every star, every galaxy, multiplied by infinity, and it still wouldn't match that one event. And yet, we barely feel it here on Earth.
Fact 5. What happens after? After the collision, the two black holes merge into one supermassive black hole. It wobbles for a while, stabilizing, then starts spinning peacefully, waiting maybe for another black hole to come along.
Fact 6. The biggest one ever seen. In 2019, scientists detected a collision so powerful it created a black hole 142 times bigger than the Sun. That's a new class, called an intermediate mass black hole. And it changed everything we thought we knew.
Fact 7. Could this happen near us? Not likely. Our Milky Way's central black hole, Sagittarius A, is way too far from others to crash anytime soon. But in billions of years, when our galaxy merges with Andromeda, then we might see a cosmic showdown.
Fact 8. What would we feel on Earth? When gravitational waves from these collisions reach Earth, they stretch and squeeze the planet, but only by a fraction of a proton's width. So no, we don't explode, but our detectors do a little happy dance.
Two black holes colliding is like the universe's version of a drum solo. Loud, powerful, and impossible to ignore. And the fact we can even detect it? That's proof of how far human curiosity can reach.
Keep wondering, keep learning. MindSeedWorld.